Welcome to this instructional video series, How to Set Up and Use the COBOL Migration Manager product, CMM for short, from DTS Software. At the time of this recording, CMM is the only product available on z/OS to capture program fetch requests, identify COBOL programs that are actually used in your environment, and create customizable reports to help you prioritize your COBOL migration projects. Today, we will walk through the CMM Getting Started Guide, Steps 2 through 4. Installation of the DTS Software product suite is covered in another video, linked in the description. The first step to running CMM is picking an available SMF record to log activity to. If you are a current DTS customer and use SMF recording for ACC or SRS, you can use the same SMF record for CMM as well. Browse your DTS rule lib and edit the CMM rules member. Update the SMF RID value to the SMF record number you will use on your system, then save and exit. I'm using our default value of 201, so no updates are necessary. If you have not done so already, update the Start 00 member of the DTS Parm lib to automatically start CMM by uncommenting the CMM line. Save and exit. Swap over to SDSF or whatever your Just Spool Viewer product is. If diff is not active, start it with the /s/diff command. If diff is already running, start CMM with the /f/diff, start CMM command. Ensure CMM started by issuing the /f/diff, status command. Once CMM is running, swap over to the DTS distribution SAMP lib. These are the datasets with the service level number in the dataset name. Edit the CMM DEFIN or CMM define member. Add a valid job card and update the target volume for non-SMS installations, or replace the volume statement with storage class as described in Optional Changes A. Submit the job and verify it completes with return code 0. Now that the prog.i dataset is defined, it's time to populate it with the COBOL programs of interest. Back out and edit CMM init. Add a valid job card and verify the step lib, parm lib, and prog.i dataset names match your installation. Update the catalog statement with your COBOL libraries. If you have multiple libraries to inventory, put one per line with no continuation character. Make sure the last one has a closing parenthesis. Submit the job and verify it completes with return code 0. Swap back to your JUS viewer and browse the output to see how many COBOL programs were found and added to the prog.i inventory dataset. The last step covered in this video is how to enable monitoring. Right now, CMM is running in passive mode so that we could initialize the inventory. Swap back to your rule lib and edit CMM rules. Swap the comment asterisk on the def-env lines so that mode active is uncommented. Save the member and swap back to SDSF. Issue the /f/diff, refresh CMM command to pull in the updated rule lib member. CMM is now actively monitoring your system for program fetch requests and writing SMF records. Thank you for joining us in this instructional video. In the next part, we will go over using the collected SMF data with the provided reports, programs not used since monitoring began, programs used since monitoring began, and compiler options. If you have questions, comments, suggestions, or would like to set up a complimentary training session for your staff, you can reach out to us via email at support@dtssoftware.com or call us at 919-833-8426, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern. We also offer complimentary webinars monthly on various systems programming topics. register for the next event, or watch our on-demand library at www.dtssoftware.com/webinars. If you don't see a recording for a topic you're interested in, please send an email to webinars@dtssoftware.com. We're always looking for topics to present on.